Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think of this one? It's the latest in my series of Alice in Wonderland mosaics. It's the Mad Hatter. Now, Lewis Carroll didn't actually call him the Mad Hatter. The Cheshire Cat does, and the chapter in which he appears is called A Mad Tea Party, so the implication is there, but of course he's now known as the Mad Hatter. A lot of people find him quite intimidating, a bit of a scary character actually. And of course he was played by Johnny Depp in the film, and a bit crazy there. So what I've done is I've chosen this drawing by Sir John Tenniel as opposed to the other one where you see him full face. So you're not seeing his face. In fact, to me, he looks more like the Artful Dodger from Oliver Twist than the Mad Hatter, but that's okay. All of the mosaics in this series are inspired by the original drawings by Sir John Tenniel. He is made up of 9 fusions, or 15 if you include the dichro spots. And with regard to the tie, which is in gold leaf small t, I've decided to include some gold in each of these mosaics in this series. I think that gives it a nice unification. So there he is. I like him, and I wonder if Sir John Tenniel would like him too.